Okay, so this is Stephen Lee, and I'm with my client here, Robyn Gerrard. She's agreed to give a little testimonial on her experience, and hopefully this will help anyone look for health insurance. So, Robyn, take it away.
Okay. For the first time in my professional life, I found myself in the situation of having to buy individual health insurance. I kind of panicked and went online and started investigating. I automatically went to Blue Cross Blue Shield first because that was the insurance company I had been with. That's when I heard from Steve. I had gone on different sites, and Steve contacted me, and he pointed out that with that particular coverage with Blue Cross, I was going to have to pay the deductible, full deductible first before any copays would kick in. And I was kind of horrified. And so Steve helped me navigate all the ins and outs of different plans, and we came up with a plan that he came up with a plan that had copays, that was a little less than Blue Cross Blue Shield, and met all of my needs. The best thing that I'm excited about is I now have an advocate to help me literally navigate the ins and outs of the insurance coverage. I'm computer savvy, I'm still working, I've been a professional all my life, but frankly I was in a flummox, and he helped clear things up for me. So I am very pleased to be working with Steve, and hope we have a good relationship from here on out.
All right, well, so do I, and Robyn, thanks for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, and Robyn had one more thing to add.
I never felt any sales pressure from Steve at all. I felt I literally had a partner in helping me find the best plan for me, and that was prime in my consideration of even taking on a broker or an advocate for this. And he's been great, and I do feel I have a partner now in my health insurance coverage. Uh-oh, we better edit that.
No, that's perfect. Thank you, Robyn. And that was an unsolicited compliment, I guess. So, okay, thank you.